Before moving ahead, I want to tell you guys that this sound comes from my afterlife style melodic techno sound bank for Diva. Check the description box to know more.
To begin with, select DCO and select the third pulse shape. Next, select a saw and the second sub-oscillator. Also transpose it an octave lower and increase the pulse width all the way up to 95%. Also, don't forget to add a bit of noise. Next, select post high-pass filter and select 2. Next, select a cascade filter and copy these settings and also reduce key follow. Next, select analog envelope for both the envelopes and copy these settings. Next, for FX, we will use the chorus with these settings and reverb.